And then, of course, lastly, you have the closing, which is just sincerely whatever your name or anything like that. So, as you can see here, it's fairly simple. You got your headline, bullet points, which can include your description, an optional picture, call to action to tell them to sign up for your list or grab that freebie to opt into the forum, and then your closing. So if you can go ahead and type all these just so you can have that listed. Okay, so now that you have all of these typed up, you want to go back to the headline. So one of the headlines that I found and I tweaked was this one. So stop your German Shepherd's bad behaviors while it's happening, not just after it's happened. Now you can learn these training secrets for free. Now you got an actual report that they're going to download for free, and that captures their attention right there. So as you can see, the headline addresses a problem of the German Shepherd's bad behavior, and then the solution is to stop it by learning these training secrets for free. So now that you've captured the person, you can actually go into the bullet points. And of course, if you don't know where to start for the bullet points, you can also use Dan Lok's instant cache copy software as well, and it's very useful. I'd highly recommend it. So the bullet points that I have here are the following. So within about 5 minutes time, I was able to come up with these bullet points using that starting point method. So it has 6 facts you must know about your German Shepherd's behavior. Avoid doing what you hate and spending more time growing your relationship with your German Shepherd dog, which is what a GSD is. So make your GSD obey your commands and love it. Discover the best way to train your GSD regardless of age. And you want to make the bullet points so that it fulfills somebody's needs and the problems that they have, but at the same time you want to make sure that it's something that's included in your report itself. Alright, so the third thing we need is an optional picture. So I'm going to use that picture that I chose earlier about the German Shepherd puppies. So what I'll do here is the optional picture. You'll notice that there's an image icon here. I'll simply click this link or button here, click on choose file, look for the file that I have, so you can actually see an image preview here, and that's the great thing about NVU here, is that it allows you to see that. Now one thing to mention is that it's always good to have the image location linking to the file name itself, and we'll show you the reason why later. Okay, great, so we've inserted the optional picture of the German Shepherd puppies here, and as you can see it's quite big. So what we'll need to do is shrink it down, and NVU actually has a way that you can just resize the picture, or you can resize it in Adobe Photoshop or any other picture program. So we'll go ahead and resize it here just to make it smaller. We can always work on it later. Okay, so we've got the optional picture done.